So today my niece wanna do a video of her eating some regular noodles. They sound like hot stuff for some reason. So let's go.
They burn my tongue and stuff. But I'm gonna be eating some high energy noodles, as you can see.
I'm gonna waste them. So let me go ahead and stir it up first. I'm gonna take
You look hungry. Just gonna
She on her own.
Alright guys, these are the best noodles I'm tasting right now. This is my first time ever eating these type of high energy noodles. So you guys, right now I'm almost finished. Have you guys ever ate soup? If you ate soup, I haven't ate soup, but I tried to make it. I just started making soup. Well, just like making noodles. I tried to use it out of my toys one time. Here's one thing. If you're trying to make soup, don't put no toys or other ingredients in it except for real ingredients. Sorry guys. As you know, Donald Trump is banning TikTok. I be on Likey. If you have Likey is not like when you like something. Likey is better than TikTok. So I'm happy he's banned it. But I usually be on Likey. But sometimes I be on TikTok a little. So Kyrie the Prince Family. If you watch the Prince Family, but Kyrie the Prince Family's son hurt his head, and Bianca says she's not doing alright. Well, she really says, I'm doing alright, I'm doing alright, I'm doing alright. But this time she said, I am not doing alright, I am not doing alright, I am not doing alright. Because Irene, her head. One second, guys. Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Comment down below. Like and subscribe. Bye.